Hello guys, in this video we will see how to find the PostgreSQL data directory location in Windows operating systems. Okay, the process is same on all Windows operating systems. Open PSQL client, PSQL shell, connect. See, I have connected to PSQL client. The first phase, just run show data underscore directory. See, this is the data directory. Copy this one. Go to Windows Run, paste that path, hit enter. See, here we have the list of the files and folders. In this base directory, we have the database and its objects. Okay. Next method is we have to run the query against PG underscore settings. Select name setting from PG underscore settings, where setting like percentile symbol in singular double quotes, then percentile / percentile, close the quotations. See, we have the data directory, and see here, this is the location. This and this both are same. Okay. Next command to check data directory is select current underscore setting in quotations, give this path, hit enter, paste it, close it as PGDATA path. See, we got the same path. Here all three are same. Okay, this is the way to find the PostgreSQL data directory location. So in this video we have seen how to find the PostgreSQL data directory locations in Windows operating systems by using different commands. Okay, for more PostgreSQL tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.